What's up everybody, 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys. Today I'm just gonna show you what I do before my haircut and what I do after my haircut. I ain't getting a haircut today and I'm not vlogging it because all I'm doing is basically just getting a taper, or not a taper, but a drop fade. I'm just gonna fix the bald spots, you know what I'm talking about. I'm not gonna cut the top down. The reason for that is because I miss wolfing. I miss how my hair used to be defined and look dark and has great definition. I miss all of that, you feel me? Even though with a low cut, it's still defined a little bit, but I like the definition that it has when you're wolfing. But I'm not gonna be wolfing crazy like 10 to 14 weeks. I'm only gonna try to wolf for 6 weeks at a time and cut it back down and then wolf to 6 weeks at a time. I might leave my hair at about a 3 length every time I cut. So every time I cut down my wolf, I might cut it down to like a 2.5 with the grain, probably, something like that. I just miss wolfing and I'm going back. But without further ado, let's jump right into this video.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Alright guys, so that was the no knot method. I'm gonna teach you guys in another video how to do that. So after I just apply the oil, brush with a soft brush with a medium brush, you realize that I didn't add any hard products like pomades, moisturizers, butters, none of that. That's because that's not good for the clippers. So after I get the cut, I'm gonna come back home, then I'm gonna apply those products. I actually did a washing style last night, so my hair has no products in it besides the oil I just added into it. So now I'm gonna go get ready, go get this cut, let's get it. Alright y'all, just got back from the barbershop, got my hair cut. All I did was fix up the drop fade. Did not get a blackout. Alright. No blackout this time, guys. So before I went to get the haircut, just added some oil. Now I'm gonna moisturize. Now all I'm gonna do is add some butter, 2-6 King Wavy butter moisturizer, and I'm gonna add some 2-6 King Wavy hair growth oil. But first, before we actually add the products in our hair, I'm just gonna go over the 2-6 King Wavy medium brush for about 3 to 5 minutes. And yeah guys, so I did not cut the top down to a 1.5 just because I wanted my hair to look more defined. I wanted my waist to look darker, more defined. I didn't want my scalp to really show because when you do wolf, when you do have a lot of hair, you do reach your curl length, the waves do look a lot deeper, and you're able to move your hair around and manipulate your hair a lot better. How you say that? Manipulate, however you say that. Y'all know what word I'm looking for. But yeah, I'm gonna let my hair grow for about 2-3 more weeks and then I'm gonna cut it back down to a 1.5. But for now, I'm gonna keep wolfing it out and make it look more defined. so guys, make sure when you're using that medium brush, when you get around to the scalp, if you get a taper or if you get a drop fade, whatever cut you have, whatever bald spot that you have, make sure you don't go too hard with the medium brush because it's gonna hurt. And I don't want you guys to scratch your scalp or anything of that such. So just be careful when you're using a medium brush. Only really brush the part that's darker, okay? Now that I'm done brushing with the medium brush for about 3 to 5 minutes, now I'm just gonna take my product. This is going to be the first butter, moisturizer, whatever I'm using after my washing style. So I really have nothing but oil in my hair right now. I'm just gonna add that. A little goes a long way, guys. Don't add too much because you're gonna add more products 2 days from now. And don't forget you also have natural oils in your scalp too. So not too much, all right? All right, now you just add it on. Don't worry, you could go to the hairline. I don't have a blackout. I don't have blackout. You probably don't have blackout in. Just go all the way to the hairline. We don't need blackout, guys. Alright, now I'm just gonna take my soft brush and then go in for about 3 to 5 minutes. Again, soft brush about 216 wavy. Let's get it. So when you're brushing with the soft brush to moisturize your hair, you want to go in with slow and precise strokes. All right, you're not really trying to progress at that stage. All you're really trying to do is get the product to move from one end to another. So do that slowly and not too fast like this. Don't try to go like, really just make sure your waves are aligning right. Make sure the product is distributing properly throughout your whole waves. Now to finish up the session, you just want to take a 216 wavy hair growth oil. All right, a little goes a long way. All right, that was 11 drops. That's all we need. We don't need that much. We don't need a whole syringe full of oil. I mean, I understand if you have a fro, but we don't got no fro right now, man. We don't need that much. Now you just take your soft brush, your mirror, and you go in for another 3 to 5 minutes. Alright, now guys, I'm basically done moisturizing my hair. This is what it looks like, and I'm pretty cool with that. I'm not gonna put on my do-rag simply because I don't have enough hair. Not enough hair. I don't have too much hair to the point where I need the do-rag in order to keep my hair lead. I'm not wolfing heavy to the point where like, oh snap, I need to put that do-rag on, So my hair's pretty low to the point where I don't have to put the do-rag on. So I'm just gonna leave it at that and then keep my hair the way it is, just moisturized. But if you do wanna put your do-rag on, you can for that ultimate lay that you're looking for. You can double compress, whatever you wanna do. It's up to you. But yeah, that's it. This is what I do before my haircut, and this is what I do after my haircut. If you guys have any questions, be sure to drop it in the comments and I will try my absolute hardest to answer your question. And if you watching this video isn't a member of this channel yet, please become a member because we have exclusive perks for members only. So hit that join button, only $2.99 a month to become friends with 360 Juice. We're gonna be doing Zoom calls every Sunday, don't miss out. But that's gonna have to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, okay? Hopefully it was helpful. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for your boy. I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Peace.